Hello guys, welcome back to VC Tech. Today we are going to be creating a simple Gantt chart for project management. As you can see the phases for the project, we have initiation, planning, execution and so on. We also have the start date, the end date and how long it took us to finish each phase in the project. So for us to get the duration, we are going to say equal end date minus the start date, and this is going to be giving us 13. It took us 13 days to finish the initiation phase. So we want to click and drag this down so we could get the duration for the other phases for this project. So after doing that, let's head over to the start date, because this is where we are going to be creating our Gantt chart from. So we highlight all of the dates and we head over to insert and we come to recommended charts. Click on this and we head over to all charts and we come down to bars and head over to stacked bar. By doing this, it has now showed us the starting date of our project, and as you can also see that the date is also not accurate. However, we are going to work on that. First, you can click anywhere on the chart and right click, go to select data, and on this click add. On the series name, you just click on duration, and on the series value it needs the duration value, how long it took us to finish a project. So we want to click on the values and just drag it down to the last, which is 7, and we say okay. And as you can see over here, it is showing us 1 to 5, the horizontal category from 1 to 5. However, we want to be seeing the project phases, so we want to click on initiation and drag this down and we say okay. Now we have the project phases. We also want to click OK, and it's going to be showing that here. And as you can also see that the arrangement is not accurate, we are also going to work on that. The date is also not accurate, we are also going to work on that. So before we do anything else, let's arrange the phases for the project. So we right click and say format axis, then we go down to categorize in reverse order. As you can see, it is now in reverse order. We also want to click on the starting date, as we want to remove the color for starting date. We click on the fill and line and say no fill. So we only have the duration of the project. However, the date is still not accurate. We are going to work on this now. So how can we set the dates? We come to the starting date of the project, which is the start date, and copy this. We want to paste this here, and we come to the last day of the project, which is the end date, the last end date of the project. We also copy this and we paste it here. We also want to highlight this together, and we head over to the number and we come to number format. We click on number format and we head to general, as we also have other formats here, but we click on general and we say okay. Now it has changed our start date and our end date to these numbers over here. We also want to click on this date on the chart. We want to change the minimum and maximum number, as you can see on the right side of the screen. So you want to change that to 46023, and we also want to change the maximum number to 46089. So guys, this is how we create a Gantt chart for project management, showing us the duration of how long it took us to finish each phase in a project. If this video helped you understand how to create a simple Gantt chart, why not subscribe to this channel and smash the like button. Thank you very much.